Tile pattern choice can transform a laundry room from cramped and cluttered to bright, organized, or visually expansive. Choose a tile pattern by first considering the room size and traffic flow. For small rooms, use diagonal or chevron layouts to visually widen the space because diagonal lines draw the eye outward and break up boxy proportions. Herringbone creates motion and sophistication and works best with longer planks or rectangular tiles. Install with tight, consistent grout joints of about 1/8 inch to maintain the pattern clarity. For a clean, simple look, use a straight grid with square tiles, which minimizes visual noise and makes alignment and cutting easier for DIY installers. Mixing two sizes, such as a large field tile with a smaller trim or mosaic band, adds interest without overwhelming the room. Plan the band height at about 1/4 to 1/3 of the wall, or run it as a horizontal waist-high stripe to keep sight lines balanced. Choose grout color to either blend for a seamless field or contrast for a graphic effect, and seal grout on porous tiles to resist detergent and water staining. When installing, dry lay the pattern first to confirm alignment with major sightlines like the washer, door, and sink, and keep layout decisions simple to reduce complex cuts behind appliances. Common mistakes include picking a busy pattern in a small room, which makes the space feel cluttered rather than lively, so opt for larger format tiles or a simpler repeat to calm the design. Another issue is using a grout color that contrasts too strongly with tile, which highlights irregularities and makes cleaning look worse. So pick a grout that is 1 to 2 shades different from the tile and use stain-resistant grout. The third problem is choosing a pattern that complicates installation and increases waste, especially with diagonal and herringbone layouts. Mitigate this by consulting a tile layout guide, measuring carefully, and allowing extra material ordered of about 10 to 15%. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work related to flooring and other home projects. We also host an active discussion community where our members share layout photos, installation tips, and contractor recommendations,